JTuniverse update for today. I got something all the way from Monroe, not Louisiana, Monroe, Michigan. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. I already kind of opened it up a little bit. This came from Wonder World Comics, all the way in Monroe, Monroe, Michigan. Okay, let's see. Boy, they got really a lot of stuff in here. I can use this later. And here she is. Going to use this for a custom very shortly. Didn't cost me much, but I want to use her for a custom. So like, comment, subscribe. Out of